Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is V.WHICH, a working millennial, financial literacy advocate, photography enthusiast, and a lifelong learner. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you will be updated on my latest video uploads. Now for today's episode, I will be sharing 3 possible options where you can invest your money aside from depositing it in banks. So let's get started. So we have 3 options here for investment. We have stocks, also we have cooperatives, and PAG-IBIG MP2 or the PAG-IBIG modified savings 2. For the aspects to assess, we will look at the background of each investment, the knowledge required, risks associated, how to earn from each investment, liquidity, and which is a better investment. Now, for the first part, which is for the background of each investment, for stocks, the very nature of the stock market is publicly listed companies issues shares to the public, and people purchase the issued shares of that company to gain ownership. For the cooperatives, it is an enterprise where members are owners at risk and not just users. More or less, pag nag-invest ka sa cooperatives, para lang din itong stock market. You gain ownership of the company or the entity. Second one is members make equity investment so that the business will have adequate funds for investments, credit services, and operations. So, kung mag-invest din kayo sa cooperatives, i-check nyo din yung type of cooperatives kasi meron ding different cooperatives as to their purpose. Meron ding multi-purpose cooperatives, credit cooperatives, and other types of cooperatives. And you just have to research. And I will provide the link below to other research materials na useful din para mas maintindihan nyo din itong video na ito. Third one is PAG-IBIG MP2. The MP2 savings is a special savings facility with a 5-year maturity. It is designed for PAG-IBIG fund members who wish to save more and earn even higher dividends in addition to their PAG-IBIG regular savings. Second is, as to the knowledge required as to investing the different investment vehicles. For stocks, the learning curve is higher than cooperatives and PAG-IBIG MP2 since we need to learn how to choose stocks to invest and when to buy stocks. That is, we use fundamental analysis and technical analysis. And meron din akong ginawang separate video for fundamental analysis. So if you like to check that out, go ahead guys. And also, I would provide the link doon sa video na iyon. For the cooperatives, you just need the basic research such as the services that the cooperatives offer since it differs on the type of cooperative they are. How many years of operation na sila, where they invest and generate their income. For the PAG-IBIG MP2, since the strategy nga nila is pretty straightforward. They invest at least 70% of their investable funds in housing finance, government securities, and corporate bonds. Now, for the risks associated, compared to among the 3, I consider stocks as the riskiest kind of investment if really don't know what you're getting into. Also, in stocks, the prices fluctuates over time. So, if you are into investing, you should be heartstrong as I have said in my other videos once you invest in stocks kasi it is not always that the stocks appreciate. Meron din yung volatility, meron ding dips kasi meron ding nagtitrade sa market. How cooperatives work is just pretty straightforward. It's like a quasi bank. It's like they're operating like a semi-bank. So you just put your money there and you let the people or the employees and the board of directors of the cooperatives generate income for the cooperative itself. For the PAG-IBIG MP2, it is also low risk since yun nga, how they invest the money is pretty straightforward. They go to corporate bonds, housing finance, and government securities. Now, for the taxes associated, for stocks, when you sell your position or the stocks that you have invested, so meron niyang kakibat na VAT at saka sales tax. So, around 1.44% all-in na siya yung taxes na i-deduct dun sa gain mo pag nagbenta ka ng shares mo. One good thing about cooperatives, it is tax-free also for the PAG-IBIG MP2 when you receive your dividends. Now, dito talaga na part, interested talaga ang mga investor na malaman ito. How to earn money from each investment. So, in the stock market or stocks, there are two ways to earn. That is number one, through price appreciation and dividends. So, let's say bumili ka dun sa isang share ng Ayala Corporation for today at 600 pesos and after 3 years naging 900 pesos siya. So, naging ka ng 300 pesos. So, that is the concept of price appreciation. For dividends, once nag-invest ka, bumili ka ng shares ng isang kumpanya and that company is earning and merong surplus doon sa net income nila and gusto nila ipamahagi din yung surplus na yun sa kanyang mga shareholders as a way of thanking for investing in the company. So, doon magdi-declare sila ng dividends. For cooperatives, they also declare dividends. Usually in cooperatives, they declare annual dividends. Again, it is variable rate since depende din yan sa income ng cooperatives ang i-declare nila. Second way that you earn from cooperatives is the interest from saving. So, marami kasing financial products din ang cooperatives. Aside from putting an equity investment in the cooperatives, meron din silang savings accounts wherein you can put your money and gain in interest around 2 to 4%, which is really better compared to the banks in the market. Also, it is tax-free. And for the PAG-IBIG MP2, there is only one way you can earn when you invest in PAG-IBIG MP2, that is through dividends. Still, it is variable. So, nag-change siya, hindi siya fix yung rate na i-declare na dividends nila. Depende yun sa net income ng PAG-IBIG for that year. Now, as to the liquidity, for the stocks, you can get your funds within the day if you have position or you have shares in your stock market account. Pwede nyo siyang ibenta if you need cash within the day. For cooperatives, it really depends on the investment product na in-avail mo. Ma-share ko lang din, no, recently, member din ako ng isang cooperative na well-known dito sa Davao region. I have continuously invested in my share capital and nadi-declare yan sila ng annual dividends. And for this year, they have declared 13% dividends. So, kung example, meron kang share capital doon na 100,000 pesos, so 13% ng 100,000, so that is your dividend. So, di ba ang laki na yan compared kung nilagay mo lang siya sa isang savings account. For PAG-IBIG MP2, as to the liquidity, you can withdraw your money or your investment after 5 years. So, pwede mo naman siyang i-withdraw earlier, pero the rates, hindi siya same, or yung return, hindi siya same since, yun nga, nag-withdraw ka ng earlier. Compared to the lock-in period of 5 years. Now, last but not the least, yun na, it boils down to the last question, which is a better investment. There is no one answer to this question since we have different risk tolerance. And also, consider din natin kung saang stage na tayo sa ating financial journey. Also, ano rin ang purpose ng ating investment? Or, paano, ito bang investment ito is for your retirement or for midterm na? So, I guess that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for listening. And sana meron kayong natutunan sa video na ito. And if you are interested to see more of this content, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that you will be updated on my latest video uploads. I wish you a prosperous life. God bless.